DoorDash deactivates accounts for several key reasons related to safety, performance, and policy compliance. When accounts are deactivated, users receive a notification like this one, explaining the reason and offering an appeal option. Key reasons include violating community guidelines related to safety, such as reckless driving, performance issues like high cancellation rates exceeding 10%, fraudulent activities, including fake orders, and policy violations, such as using unauthorized vehicles. To avoid deactivation, stay within guidelines and maintain a high rating. Do maintain a rating above 4.0 stars. Do keep your cancellation rate low. Do respond promptly to customer issues. Don't use multiple accounts. Don't engage in fraudulent activities. DoorDash uses AI-driven monitoring and periodic background checks to enforce these policies. If your account is deactivated, the appeal process is self-service via the Dasher app or website. Submit a detailed written explanation, supporting documents like photos or videos. Dashcam footage is helpful, and prepare for a potential phone interview. Focus on demonstrating compliance by showing improved service or proving innocence with GPS data or other evidence. Document everything and be prepared to escalate if necessary. While DoorDash prioritizes platform integrity, appeal success is around 40 to 50%. Labor experts suggest that urban dashers in underserved areas have lower success rates.